Filing taxes. Avoid costly mistakes. 1. Math errors. Double-check all calculations and use tax preparation software or a calculator to avoid simple arithmetic mistakes that could lead to errors on your tax return. 2. Incorrect social security numbers. Provide accurate social security numbers for yourself, your spouse, and any dependents listed on your tax return to avoid processing delays or rejection of your return due to mismatched or incorrect information. 3. Filing status errors. Selecting the appropriate filing status, such as single, married filing jointly, married filing separately, head of household, or qualifying widow, heir, with a dependent child, is crucial as it impacts your tax liability and eligibility for deductions and credits. 4. Omitting income. Ensure to disclose all income sources, from wages and self-employment earnings to interest and dividends, as failure to report income accurately may lead to penalties and interest fees. 5. Overlooking deductions and credits. Maximize your tax savings by utilizing eligible deductions and credits like the standard deduction, education credits, and child tax credits, ensuring you meet requirements and provide accurate documentation. 6. Mismatched names. Make sure the names on your tax return match those on your social security cards to avoid processing delays or return rejection. 7. Filing late or missing the deadline. To prevent penalties and interest fees, file your tax return by the 15th April deadline, unless it falls on a weekend or holiday, in which case you have until the next business day. 8. Failure to sign and date the return. Be sure to sign and date your tax return before sending it to the tax authorities to avoid processing delays or incomplete submissions. 9. Not keeping records. Maintain precise records of income, expenses, deductions, and credits declared on your tax return to substantiate it in the event of an audit or inquiry by tax authorities. Thus, ignoring IRS correspondence, address any correspondence from the IRS or state tax authorities promptly, as failing to respond can result in complications and penalties. File